filming here?
Yes. Residence. Now 3 p.m. This is lobby. I just waiting now. Maybe someone show to me apartment if available here. If not available, maybe I come back next time. Because we want to go to with Georgi, we want to go to cook barbecue in our terrace. Shaira already come back from the work. She in home now. You can see this is coffee bean in front of this building.
And then I'll show you 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom units here. It's a 2 bedroom.
Georgi, do you want to watch?
Yes.
Can you? Because it's an apartment for rent, maybe you interesting also. 35,000. It's good location here.
So kita
7.
7. Baba na kasi floor. Ano wala na yata binit? Actually, we have a lot of tenants here are foreigner also.
Many foreigner here?
Yes.
Because its location very good.
Yeah, it's very near from the
Marquee
near
Mall,
from
yeah.
Marquee Mall, yeah, exactly, sir.
Also, it need go to Balibago. 5 minutes and already in Balibago.
This is the one that 2 bedrooms, sir.
Ah, this is 2 bedroom.
This is 55,000.
Ah, 55,000.
Yes, sir. But it's not included the parking.
Parking not included. 55,000 without parking.
Yes.
Ah, if motor parking?
5,000, sir.
Same. Motor or car is the same.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
But we have a free parking from here, sir.
Ah, parking free also near house. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is kitchen.
This one, sir, no internet. You should have to apply. But this one, it's Converge. You can use
Ah, Converge easy. After 1 week, Converge can apply.
That one is the common bedroom.
Electric fan, cabinet.
And this is the master bedroom, sir.
This is already split system, is better. Have CR. Balcony don't have here. Balcony.
Sir?
Balcony.
Balcony, it has a
Ah,
balcony.
balcony.
So it's spacing counting.
Arayat. It's good also view because Arayat is and can see in Lex. This is in Lex. This is road to Manila. And this way to yes, Clark, Baguio, Subic also. So this is free parking, this
Yes,
one.
sir.
Free parking is also big. Clark International Airport. Yes. And Angeles City Hall. Lazantin sit inside. Angeles City Hall. And they have also prosecutor office. Also. What is this? It's also from this apartment, from building.
Yes, sir. This one is our amenities, but still there is ongoing construction.
Now construction. It's good.
And then if the one bedroom, sir, it's the same layout, but no master's bedroom. But it's same like
Same style.
Yes, sir. They have only different the interior design, sir, but still it's the same.
Okay. It's another CR.
Yes, sir. That's the common bathroom. Yeah, that's the laundry area, sir.
This is laundry area.
The one bedroom, it has already
Same
same.
one bedroom.
Yeah, it's the same. It's like this. This is the laundry area, sir. So the only big difference between the one bedroom, it hasn't a master bedroom.
Only master bedroom with
Yeah,
one.
but it's the same.
Don't have this.
No, it has already.
No, I mean in one bedroom only. Okay.
So
3 aircon. Three aircon.
Yes.
Okay. It's nice.
Yeah.
But most of the one bedroom maybe already full booking.
Yes,
full.
sir. When you are planning to rent units, sir?
They only asking me.
Your friends, sir?
My friend, yes, they not in the Philippines. They just asking only.
Yeah.
Many
the
people-
one bedroom is easy. It's very easy, fast selling.
Because 35,000.
Yes.
This is 55, I think, little bit high price because most of tourists, not so many people go. But it's also good.
So at least you have an idea what kind of
Yes.
what is the bedroom.
So it's okay, no problem if I give your phone number if
Yeah.
who want to rent, they
Yes.
can call to you.
If you have inquiries or if we have available one bedroom, maybe if you need it, so we can send it via email or messengers. So it's easy for you. And then we'll schedule for viewing.
Yes. When this built house? When?
2016, 20, yeah.
So about 16.
5 or 7.
No, it's new.
Yes, sir.
You okay? Let's go. He like view. Yes, nice location. For foreigner, it's very good. Easy go to immigration office.
Yeah, it's easy from here, sir.
I think many people interesting. That's why one bedroom is not easy to rent.
35,000.
35,000, same in Clark.
Yeah, it's like the same rate.
Same price, yeah, same rate. Because I've been before in Clark, it's maybe 5 years ago.
Oh.
35 or 37,000. But here it's.
It's
But
a condominium also, sir.
yes, you know, big building in the Clark. Mail room.
Or you can
One
send
one
message.
question: if tourist want to someone go with him to apartment, it's need to, for example, he want girlfriend, if stay with him. It's allowed here. Need only give to
ID.
security guard ID.
Yes, sir. And also, we need to register.
Register.
Yes, sir.
So every
So
time
that
need
most-
register.
So that we know that only that person and you can access the unit, sir.
Okay, okay,
That's the only thing.
okay. So just need only register here.
Yes, sir. In the admin office.
Admin office. Okay, okay. Thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you. Guys, you already know about Marquee Mall. Georgi, what you think about this apartment? Location is good.
Yes, maybe for a long time stay. Yes, good. In Clark is small room, if you remember.
Yes.
I cannot live in Clark in that room.
Yeah,
but,
in the Clark,
But this room is bigger.
because living room is bigger, but in the Clark is studio type, Georgi. That's why studio type is smaller.
Yes, but for me expensive. And we did not ask how much if you rent, for example, 1 year. Maybe they give discount, I don't know.
Maybe. I forgot to ask about for long term. Sorry. But who want know, just contact this number. Hi. I not expect. Maybe they know you, Georgi. So we're going to Landers right now.